Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML form and input text. Using HTML form, we could collect user information, and in input tag, user enter data. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, then Save. File name form and input.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol, then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Title, form and inputs. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. For using HTML form, we need to use the form opening and closing tag, and in form attribute action, we need to give the path of the backend API where we want to submit the HTML form. Inside form opening and closing tag, we use input tag for user input. Input tag do not have closing. For user input of name, we are using input type text. For user input of email, we are using input type email. For user input of age, we are using input type number. We are placing input text inside div opening and closing tag so that it comes on a new line. On refreshing the page, we could see input for name, email and age. For user to select city, we are using select tag, and inside select opening and closing tag, we are using option tag for user option of a city. For user input of gender, we are using input type radio, and there we are creating two inputs, one for male and other for female, and to make them group, we are using the same name attribute gender in both the input tags. For user input of address, we are using text area, and there we are using attributes rows and calls for the number of rows and the number of columns that the text area will occupy. To know if the user is married or not, we are using input type checkbox, and by default to make it checked, we need to use the attributes checked is equal to. To know user's date of joining, we are using input type date. For submitting the form, we need to use the input type submit, and for resetting the form, we could use input type reset. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.